guys, Matt Gateway back at you with another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I know I said that in the last video, but like I haven't uploaded in a while. So I am gonna make a video of me doing an obstacle course. I guess just me shooting Nerf gun at targets. And it's just there. Look at my dad's face. He's gonna film me. And time me. Okay, guys?
Dude's messed up. It's just messed up, man. Just came out of nowhere. Points that gun at me again, it's gonna get shoved up his nose. I'm an unwilling participant. He's not a speed loader, folks. He's going for accuracy. Take your time, princess. Oh, look at the kick on that beast. That Nerf gun looks like it's rolling some 50 cal, 300 grain, Nitro Express stuff. All right, I'll time it.
No one knows what that means.
Yeah, people that actually know. Set, go! Way to go. Set, go! Tell me when to stop timing.
Stop.
11.3 seconds.
Well, let me try that again. I was doing bad.
Yeah, I totally made that up, right, people? Yeah, maybe you could give it a try again. I can't really see over the humidifier there and our giant cup of awesomeness. Go! Tell me when to stop. Ooh.
Okay, just stop.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible.
He blew that one up, folks. That's all right. Always can work to get better. Practice, hard work. Lots of skills. Super dorky. Lightsabers for little kids.
Well, let me try with a true 50 cal. True 50 cal Nerf gun. I'm gonna hit 3 of the targets. Hey, Dad, how long is this video running?
So far we're at 3 minutes and 11 seconds, which is 3 minutes and 11 seconds too long.
Ready? Dad?
Yep. Go.
Seconds.
That was like 2.4 seconds.
The 2 targets, like 1 per second.
Yeah. Makes sense, right?
I bet you I can go faster.
Yeah, that was less.
How?
I don't know. I'm looking at your timer on the video to time it.
Okay.
I don't have multiple hands.
Hey, and okay, guys,
That I
thanks
can
for
do it
watching.
with.
See you guys later.
Peace!